Ain't no pork up in the pan. But you better not complain, boy. You get in trouble with the man. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Beyond the coming rosy, how the world that you know. By the way she wears her apron, and the clothes she wore, umbrella on the shoulder, piece of paper in the hand. She comes to see the governor. She wants to free her mail. Yeah, it's a midnight special. Shine a light on me. That's a midnight special. Shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Well, if you're ever in Houston, yeah, you better do the right. You better not gamble. Yeah, and you better not fight it off. Oh, the sheriff will grab you, and the boys will bring you down. The next thing you know, boy, oh, you're prison bound. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Yeah, let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. I mean, you know you leave. Let the midnight special shine a light on me.
Midnight special. Let a light on me. Midnight special. Let a light on me. Let the midnight special. Let a light on
We gaan een wedstrijdje doen, alleen de dames. Kom dames.
Shine a light on me.
Prachtig meisjes. Heel goed gedaan. Maar nu de mannen.